So we're excited to launch the Gathering Stitches Festival today. It'll be held at Castle Espy on the 9th and 10th of May. It's a festival of yarn, textiles and sustainable fashion, and on display you will have over 40 vendors from textile art mediums and various different yarns, crafts and textile supplies. We'll also have a range of workshops available for anybody who's looking to develop some new skills or to upgrade some existing skills. The panel discussion this year is hosted by Eve Blair from BBC Radio Ulster, Your Place and Mine. It will be on the topic of reimagining textile manufacture across the island of Ireland, and we'll have a range of speakers representing those industries. We have all of the details on our Gathering Stitches website, which is www.gatheringstitches.co.uk, and on there you'll find a wide range of information about getting to the festival and who it's suitable for. We would expect to have anything from families to established makers to people who are just interested in finding out a bit more about how they can get involved in crafts and look after their well-being through creativity. We ran the festival here last year, so it's very important to us to establish and maintain that relationship that we have with Castle Espy, both because of the location and the suitability for our different types of people that would be visiting the festival, but also because we ran an 18-month project here which intensified the need for community art in the area.